central Montgomery County in central Maryland, northeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leesburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Poolsville, Barnesville, Lucas, Dickerson, and Bealsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.